Welcome to Daytona Toyota's Certified Collision Center. From the moment you enter our reception area, you'll see we're committed to excellence. We have on-site insurance adjusters for your convenience who can quickly give you estimates to handle your claims, and we accept all insurance carriers. Our state-of-the-art facility is proud to be one of the select few to achieve the I-CAR Gold Class recognition, which is the highest achievement in the industry and requires rigorous training and certification. After repair planning, your vehicle will enter our 30,000 square foot repair facility, where every department has cutting-edge technology and will ensure quality control throughout the process. With our state-of-the-art alignment equipment, we can restore your car to within 1 millimeter of factory specifications. Your vehicle will be restored to pre-accident condition, and we guarantee our workmanship for as long as you own the vehicle. You have a choice when it comes to where you have your vehicle repaired. Choose the quality you deserve. Choose the best. Daytona Toyota Certified Collision Center. From all of us here at the Daytona Toyota Certified Collision Center, thank you for taking our tour.